When is the best time to sell your house? In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a powerful tool to help you net the most money in your pocket when you sell your next house. Hello everybody, my name is Mark Schreier and I'm a real estate agent with Century 21 American Homes Real Estate right here in Syosset, Long Island. And today's video topic is, when is the best time to sell my house? Naturally, to net the most money in your pocket. And today I'm going to be discussing a very, very important piece of information, a piece of data that if you utilize it will help you with that process. But understand, before we get into the data-driven part, there's a lot of other things that have to do with you guys making the most on that particular transaction. One is, are you ready to do it? Because if you're not ready to go through the sales process, then it's definitely not a good time to sell regardless of the market. So make sure you learn a little about it. You do a little research online, ask a local realtor to explain the whole process so you know whether or not you're ready. Most important. The next thing, and the thing I want to talk about today, is regardless of all the other things about your home improvements, the time of the year, and things of that nature, it's always a supply and demand situation. So today I'm going to get in depth a little on something called absorption rate. It's a very, very good indicator of the market, whether you're in a buyer's market or a seller's market, because the old saying, supply and demand, if there's a lot of supply out there, regardless of the time of the year, then you're naturally going to have more competition, and more competition could lead to a lower sales price and less money in your pocket. So absorption rate is simply this. We take the total number of houses that are currently on the market, yet let's use a number like 100, in the town of Plainview, New York, for example. If we have 100 houses on the market right now, and now we look at how many houses have sold in the last month. If 25 houses have sold in the last month and there's 100 on the market, we do the math. We divide the 100 by 25 and we get a number of 4. Now here's the thing to remember. The key number is 6. 6 is the litmus point between buyers and sellers markets. So like a pH, if you have a number, after you do the absorption rate math, a number above 6, you're predominantly in a buyer's market. Now, I hesitated a little because it is a little confusing, and I'll say it again. If the number, after you do the math, after you do the division, comes out to above 6, you're in a buyer's market. If it comes out below 6, in this case it would be a 4, the 100 divided by 25 is 4, you are in a seller's market. And naturally, the lower you are, the more of a seller's market you're in, and the higher you are, the more of a buyer's market you're in, because inventory, again, supply and demand. But remember, this absorption rate could change day to day. You can have a lot of houses that closed this month and not many houses that close next month but could be under contract. So some realtors do absorption rate different ways, where they use under contracts as well as houses that are in contract and are closing. So there are many different ways you can do it. But the most important thing is to check out the absorption rate in any way you want. You can check out from year to year. Compare the month of August of 2019, the month of August of 2017, 2016. You can compare different months for different years, and you can see the supply and demand and if there's any trend. So when you put your house on the market, if you're going to put it up with an absorption rate that's way above 6, let's say an absorption rate of 8 or 9, you know that right now your house is in a buyer's market, so the chance of you getting the most value for your real estate is decreased. Does it mean the house will definitely not sell for a lot of money? No, but it means statistically the chances are against you. So I hope I didn't confuse you too much. Again, this was absorption rate. You take the total amount of houses that are currently on the market, you divide them by how many houses have sold for that particular month. You do the math. Any number above 6 is a buyer's market. Any number below 6 is a seller's market. And the naturally the different, well, this way I guess you'd say, the more extreme it is in either direction, the better the market is for buying or selling. If you like this video, I'm using thumbs, let's give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, click the little bell on the bottom to help alert you when the videos come up. And this is Mark Schreier. Thanks for watching. Hello. Yes, I'm talking to you, the person that watched my video to the very end. Thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like me on Facebook. I am a licensed real estate agent in New York State, but I also have a referral service that deals nationwide. So if you're looking to buy or sell a house anywhere in the United States, please send me a text, contact me via phone, and I'll set you up with a local professional in your area. If you're in my vicinity, I'd be more than happy to help you out in any of your real estate transactions that you'd like. This is Mark Schreier from Century 21 American Homes, and I'll talk to you soon.